Hello children, welcome to Social Science Lessons for Class 7 History Chapter 1 Tracing Changes Through a Thousand Years Part 2. In the previous class we have seen what are maps, what are the different types of maps, who are cartographers, what is cartography, and the evolution of map making throughout the years. And now, today, we will discuss the heading New and Old Terminologies. Here, the content under this topic I'll divide into two. So, first is evolution of languages, and second is evolution of terms. Evolution means change. Here you can see evolution of languages. Historical records exist in a variety of languages which have changed considerably over the years. So much of changes had happened to the languages. So here you can see a script of Malayalam is given. So how ku or gu or nu is written over there. Old and new version it is given over there. So such an example given here in your textbook is medieval Persian, for example, is different from modern Persian. And it is said that the difference is not just with regard to the grammar and vocabulary, but the meanings of other words also changes over time. So this is about other language Persian. So it is already said the language medieval Persian is different from other modern Persian. Then evolution of terms or words. So that we have seen is other changes in terminologies. Here two examples are given. So one is Hindustan. So we will see how this particular word Hindustan has changed over other years. So today we understand Hindustan as India, the modern nation state, right? And in 13th century by Minaji Siraj, a chronicler who wrote in Persian, he meant the areas of Punjab, Haryana, and the lands between Ganga and Yamuna, and he used the term in a political sense for land under Delhi Sultanate, and which excluded the land of South India. Okay, and in early 16th century, Babur used Hindustan to describe the geography, the fauna, the culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinent. Then you can see in 14th century, the poet Amir Khusru used the word Hind in a similar sense to describe the geography, the fauna, and the culture of the inhabitants of Indian subcontinent. Okay, and this is about the evolution of other term or word Hindustan. So when we consider the different context over here or the different centuries over here or different times over here, we can understand the Hindustan is used for different sense, right? Now we will consider the next word foreigner. It is used today to mean someone who is not an Indian. If someone is not Indian, we call that person as foreigner. If someone is coming from America, we call that person as a foreigner, right? But the medieval period, a foreigner was any stranger who appeared, say, in a given village, someone who was not a part of that society or culture. Okay. For example, a city dweller may call a forest dweller as a foreigner. But those who are residing in the same village, they cannot call each other as foreigners. So someone who is outside, who is from outside their village or culture, was considered as foreigners. So the word Pardesi in Hindi and the word Ajnabi in Persian is similar as the word foreigner. Okay, then so from this what we have to conclude is the historians have to be careful about these kinds of changes in languages and terms or words over the years when they are learning different things of past, right? So hope you understood this part. Thank you, children.